What's up, bro? Let's go. This real quick. This view, bro. It's how you start a day. Sick. This hotel is lit, bro. Day 2, Milan. We out here. Alright, I'm about to check out the gym right here. I'm not gonna work out, but we gotta check it out. Let's see. Ooh, it's fresh, bro. What? For a hotel gym, this is pretty nice. I've been to some pretty shitty hotel gyms, but yeah, the weights might not be heavy, but we got a squat rack. What? Yo, this is wild. This is fresh. I love this. Got a nice little, you know, view of the area. All right, man. So I woke up too late. It's like 10 a.m. right now, or actually it's 11:45 a.m. right now on Saturday in Milan. But, you know, we'll probably work out tomorrow or something if I'm not hungover from going out. But we're gonna go out. We gotta go do some museum tours, shit like that. So stay tuned, man. All right, fellas, here we go. This is day 2. So everything you've been seeing was when we first landed into Milan. And now we're gonna do some like more real tour stuff. What's up, guys?
That's nice. That is thin though. Yeah. You carrying that around?
Yeah, but I got a bag so I can hide all this.
We lied.
Sheesh looking like he's in a magazine. Never wear stuff like this. This is what Milan does to people, bro. Bro.
Armani Hotel.
We walked by it yesterday.
Holy shit, it's hot outside.
Yeah, and they dress nice too, bro. Fuck, I should have just dressed in a collar shirt too.
I thought you're just nice for the beach.
The beach?
The beach. Oh, is this a linen shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, where'd you get this from?
It's top secret, man. I can't give you all my secrets, you know.
Oh, baby? Let's do it. You got the whip?
Yeah, she's getting in the car, man. Drive. Oh God, here we go. You guys look more like celebrities. I'm the one filming you guys.
Also Uber there. We don't have to do this. Yeah, we can Uber. I mean,
Sheesh. We're gonna go eat over here. Chungking Mama.
my favorite place.
Very traditional Milanese food. All right, man. So now we're like in the fucking tourist area, where all the shopping's at. Let's see. We're trying to go Domo?
Is it?
All right, man. After climbing like fucking 10 minutes, we're here.
That's the perfect distance. Right before I get tired.
Oh shit.
It's like hotter out here.
Whew.
We're just on the roof.
Yeah, let's chill a little bit. tired, Kev?
Always.
Alright. Damn. It's fire, bro. Look at this elevator. This elevator is sick.
Hardest elevator I've ever been in. They have a party in here.
It's a perfect place to do DJ, man.
Oh yeah.
It's not a bad way to wake up. Post club. Let's show you the view. Yeah. Get some coffee, got some food. And now we're gonna chill by the pool and then relax before we gotta go to Bari. Wow, this is beautiful, bro. You see these in pictures, now you see it in person. It's just breathtaking. What do you think, man? What do you think? What do you think of this?
My house is bigger.
This view's sick.
This one?
Well, let me decide. I'm trying to decide.
Take your time. You have a piece of the drink water.
This is fucking sick. Go play some CeeLo with the boys.
If you're a big craps player, that's luck. Take that to Vegas.
What's in here? Anything's in here?
This is a haircut,
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Hopla. This is a fucking spread.
All right, so I just finished packing, and we're gonna go to Bari really soon. That's where the wedding's gonna be, so that's gonna be cool. We have like a wine tour, and then after that, it's like a little party, and then tomorrow's the actual reception where my friend's gonna get married. And yeah, I mean, it's gonna be real classy. Won't be as fun as all this other stuff. Won't be as much touring, but I mean, I guess we'll get some chances to go around the small like town in Italy. But nonetheless, man, traveling's fun. You know, it's a little exhausting. We gotta get going. We gotta go catch our flight, 2-hour flight from Milan to Bari. But nonetheless, should be fun. After Bari, we're gonna go to London, and London should be dope. That's gonna be me and my boy gonna be there for 4 days. My other friend's gonna be there for 2. We'll see if get some good content there. Probably do some shopping there. But London is definitely more expensive than Milan. I'll say this: my review of Milan so far is one, Milan. It's a very walkable city. It's pretty nice. Kind of reminds me of New York. There's some shopping. There's obviously some tourist parts, but there's some hidden gems. The one thing that was surprising to me is that, you know, Milan has really good food. Italy has had really good food so far. But man, yo, New York's food's pretty fucking good. It's just as comparable. Like the Italian food I had here, we went to some of the best spots. And I'm not gonna lie, I've eaten at some Italian spots in New York, and they're just as good. So, not saying the food in Milan's not amazing, but you know, sometimes like I always compare everywhere I eat to New York, and shit, New York's pretty goddamn good, man. But nonetheless, I would definitely come back here. Milan's dope. So if you guys ever thought about coming to Milan, going to Italy, I'd say definitely come, because it's a beautiful city. And you want to stay at the hotel I'm staying at. This hotel is pretty nice. VIU. Beautiful. I mean, the hotel rooms are fucking sick, modern. The staff's pretty good, and it's fairly affordable relative to like how nice these rooms are versus like these other hotels. Like if you want to stay at the Mandarin Oriental, the Armani Hotel, the Four Seasons, they'll run you like $2,000, $1,500 a night. This is like about $300 a night, so I think it's not cheap, right? You could definitely get cheaper hotels, but for the price, I think it's amazing. Milan's about to fly out to Bari. And then, what's your rating on Milan?
Out of 10, 8.2.